The aim of the European Commission when we launch this European blockchain pre-commercial procurement is to contribute to prepare for a future version of the European blockchain service infrastructure that will be further presented to you a bit later. It's also to contribute to the development of new solutions and standards in the blockchain arena. And finally, to reinforce the European position in blockchain. This action is part of a global strategy that the Commission is implementing on blockchain. There are different elements as part of this strategy: the support to research innovation project, cooperative project through the program Horizon 2020, the support to the creation of an international association called INATBA, which facilitate the interaction in particular between private solution providers and public authorities, but which also aim to work on interoperability and standards aspect. The European Commission is launching this European blockchain pre-commercial procurement action with the objective to prepare for the future versions of the European blockchain service infrastructure that will be presented to you in more details a bit later. In doing so, we will also contribute to the development of new solutions and new standards in the blockchain arena. And the objective is also through this action to reinforce the European position on blockchain and the position of European players on blockchain. Considering the timeline, the European blockchain partnership has been created in 2018. The work on the first version of European blockchain service infrastructure, including the first use case, have started 2019. The work is continuing. It will continue with new version to be delivered next year. And the PCP is a process that we start now, beginning of 2020, that works in parallel of this process in order to deliver a new generation of solution for the European blockchain service infrastructure by the year 2022. So, the European blockchain service infrastructure, EBSI, aims to be an infrastructure meeting the highest standard in terms of security, sustainability, privacy, in full compliance of the EU regulation, with the objective to support EU-wide cross-border public services that will be enhanced or improved with blockchain. So EBSI will be an infrastructure with nodes that will be distributed all across Europe and that will help to support an increasing number of applications with focus on public services at first, but over time other types of services could be supported through it. The way we select the application or the use case for this infrastructure is done through the European Blockchain Partnership, which selects every year a group of use cases that have to be implemented in priority. The European blockchain service infrastructure relies on a given number of high-level guiding principles. First, it is a public permission blockchain with a governance structure which will group representatives of the different members of the European Blockchain Partnership and the European Commission. It is by nature a decentralized infrastructure. It has to be scalable. It has to rely on open source. It has to be sustainable. Particular attention is put on this aspect. It has also to become interoperable with other infrastructure and other blockchain solutions. European blockchain service infrastructure aims to benefit to all EU citizens and businesses, in particular when they will have to transact across border with public services. With EBSI, they will be able to do it in a more secure and trustful way. It will help national and local administration as well as European institutions to implement administrative processes in a more efficient and trustful way. It will also eventually benefit to any organization by enabling them to propose new services that can be built on the European blockchain service infrastructure.